I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can withdraw money from MoonPay onto your bank account. Now, from your MoonPay app here, you want to go to the home screen section down here. It'll be in the first one that you go to when you first open the app, and you want to click on this button here to sell. Now, again, just wait for it to load. Now, it might take a little bit. It's a white screen, and just wait for it to load. It'll load up all of your asset, and it'll also load up the current currency exchange and all of those stuff. To note that for you to actually sell and transfer it to a bank account, you will need to verify your identity first. And that includes taking a picture of your ID to confirm your identity and also a couple of other things. And of course, this does also mean that you will need to have assets to sell, right? So you can take your assets here. For example, if I want to sell BTC, I'll just leave it at that. But if I want to sell other things like Binance Coin or Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, all of these stuff, I can pick it from this menu. Now let's just close out of this. And now I can also pick a currency to sell it to. So for example, I have Indonesian rupiah right now, but you can also sell it in dollars, I imagine, and also UK euro or pound sterling and all of those stuff. And then from here, just enter in the amount you want to sell and you'll see the exchange rate. And after you're happy, just click on continue to transfer it to your bank account and enter in all of your details. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.